Hi, I'm Dawn, and today I'm going to show you how excited Sephi and Maya get when I get their dog seatbelts. So watch what happens when I open this door and get out their most favorite things in the whole world. Oh, look at that. They are ready to go. What's that, Maya? What's that? Are you sure? You want to go for a ride? Oh boy! Oh boy! Hold on. See, we got those on quick and easy. We just have the harness part on right now, but then when we get in the car, we'll put on the strap and buckle them in. Let's go! Alright. Are you coming too? Come on, guys. Where are you going? Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Sephi. Come on. Go. 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 Oh, this is a good idea. Okay. Here we go. Come here. Let's get buckled in. Maya in the back seat. Come on. Come on. Come on. Here we go. We are ready to go. Oh boy, oh boy.